there was money for nails, there was money for gold, there was money for gold grills, but then people are saying they're stealing for other things that I don't understand. See, money, Renee Robinson, can I have parties announced for the record? State?
Megan Galloway.
Defense?
Roberto Ambrosino.
And are you Ms. Robinson?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Robinson, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with theft of property, $2,500, 2 or more previous convictions?
Yes, ma'am.
It's state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Robinson, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $2,000 fine and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not.
All right. For clarification, is there an application for deferred or no?
No, there's not. I may have just grabbed the wrong form and I circled community supervision instead.
All right. So with regards to the plea bargain agreement,
I did not. Did I not check off that? There's no.
all right, thank you. So according to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's no application for deferred adjudication and the state is recommending community supervision and there's a $2,000 fine. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
And defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours community service restitution, and no contact with Don and Benz. All right. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you want to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, it's been some time since the incident. Since something happened recently. She is in a better place now in her life. She's employed. She's 9 months pregnant. She's set to give birth here in about 12 days or so. She's in a good place.
Before I wasn't in a better position than what I am now. And that was something that I picked up in a bad habit.
What, a bad habit of stealing?
Yes.
How do you develop a habit for stealing?
It was just something that I chose to do. It was a choice. And
But I'm just trying to figure out, how do you develop the habit for stealing?
It just happened, and
Well, did you all plan? Did you all say, hey, let's go to Don and Ben's and take tequila?
Yep.
No, it wasn't anything like that. Like I said, I was in a bad predicament and I was using that to like pay rent or do any, just making.
No, I don't know. And let me just explain to you why I don't realize that.
Understand.
Because people will spend money on their wants, but not on their needs.
Right.
And what I'm reading in here, everybody in the vehicle was dressed to the nines. So obviously there was money for clothes, there was money for hair, There was money for nails. There was money for gold. There was money for gold grills. But then people are saying they're stealing for other things that I don't understand.
Right.
And then going to Dunn and Ben's, the officer said that the car smelled of marijuana. And you all just went to Dunn and Ben's. Oh, I needed rent. Who's out here buying stolen tequila?
I don't smoke, so I don't know.
No, I said, who's out here buying stolen tequila? Did you take orders where you just say, hey, anybody want tequila? Because it's saying that you took
6 bottles.
yes, of tequila, 2 coconut bottles, reposado,
Yes.
and
Regular.
so see, she remembers. So why? So that you all could drink and have a good time. How old are you?
I'm 28. I was 17 at the time, and that was just how I was making my money. There's no excuse for it. I'm not making no excuse for it. And like I said, that's something that I'm not doing anymore.
And the people you were with, this Latasia Bateman, who is that?
Just a friend of mine,
And
or
who-
was a friend of mine.
All right, and who is this? I guess their mom named them T.I. Era Barber.
Yes,
Who is that?
just another friend.
What does T.I. stand for? Is that their name,
I
T.I.?
think it's Tierra.
Oh,
Right.
the officer then put an apostrophe. Okay. All right, the court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. If you were drug tested today, what would the results be?
I'm gonna be clean.
Okay. There's to be regular UAs, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I work for home health.
Doing what?
Pretty much like assisting and aiding. I'm with.
What does that mean? Assisting and aiding?
I pretty much help feed, change clothes.
A credential or are you like
I'm not a CNA. I'm just a caregiver.
No. Do you go into people's homes and do this? I don't allow people on probation. And
This is the actual. It's like a nursing home. It's not just like a home. It's it's a nursing home, like an actual.
So she doesn't go on.
So it doesn't go into people's houses. It's a actual facility.
All right. I'm not going to allow you to continue to work there unless I receive a letter from your employer stating that they know what you're charged with and you can still work there. And then the people that you're taking care of, they either need to sign something or their relatives need to know that you're working there.
100%.
All right. Then their relatives need to know that you're working there. That's Ms. Abrams. That's what I'm ordering. So proof of employment within 30 days. No employment with minors.
She is on maternity leave right now, so I don't know if you might be able to extend 30 days out a little bit longer than that.
Oh, just speak to probation about that.
Weeks and then
Oh, trust me, probation will say she's on maternity leave. And I'll say, okay. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider in someone's residence. And also, she's not to be a home health care provider at a facility. Without a letter from the employer stating that they're aware of her criminal history and she's allowed to work there. And the family members or whoever she's caring for is aware of a criminal history and they have no objection to their working there. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are complete, 100 of those hours will be waived. And then I'm going to order the theft course. Once that's complete, the remaining hours will be waived. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, and I'm sorry, just one other thing. There's to be no contact with Lastasia, Lastasia, Bateman, Batmam, and Tierra, Tierra, Barber, Barber. All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. If you need anything, let probation know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Just remain in court probation. We'll go over conditions.
28-year-old Imani Robinson found herself facing a judge after being caught stealing 6 bottles of tequila with friends. She claimed she was struggling financially and selling the alcohol to make ends meet. But the judge wasn't convinced. Reading the police report, the judge pointed out that everyone involved seemed to have money for expensive clothes, nails, jewelry, and even gold grills, yet somehow claimed they had no money for rent. The courtroom grew tense as the judge questioned how stealing had become a habit. Imani admitted it was a choice and acknowledged she had been surrounding herself with the wrong people. Just 12 days away from giving birth, she was given one last chance. Instead of jail, the judge sentenced her to probation, parenting classes, community service, theft prevention courses, and strict supervision.